Hello guys, my name is Deepak and you're watching my show The Tough Art IG Deep, and here I discuss about some chords and journey of life. So third is we will either find a way or make it, and fourth is never take your eyes off the target. Fifth is showing up is half the battle, and you can be happy where you are. We grow when we face challenges. Winners focus on winning, loser focus on winners. And if your ego box, then my attitude roars. Underestimate me, that will be fun. You were born an original, don't die to copy. The days that break you, the days that make you. No gods, no glory, no legends, no story. I am coming for everything I deserve, and the person I am coming is going to show a lot of people. 17 is you can never lose if you bet on yourself. 18th is being alone is a power that few can handle. One day or day one your choices. It's not over until I win. Winners never quit, quitters never win. When people come into your life like non-stop rain, remember that no your positive attitude will never will always your umbrella. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. And is not and. And means efforts never die. Success is when your signature becomes an autograph. Fake people have an image to maintain. Real people don't care. Respect is earned, honesty is appreciated, trust is gained, loyalty is returned, love means value it, ego means kill it, smile means keep it, success is achieve it, confidence is trust it. So yeah, this is the thought of my chords or taken by other people. But yeah, we discuss here this thought or thoughts about here. Hmm, love is love means valued. If you have love and you so much love with someone, so always value it, that they don't doubt on your words or any kind of difficulties situation, anything is you you give your love, and in return you take back your honesty and trust. Yeah, ego means kill it. If you have ego and you want to kill it, then you need to always work on it, always work on yourself, your brain, your head, your speaking. Yeah, so yeah, if you have ego, so yeah, you need to learn more. This means you you need to go more and more hard work, and keep a smile on your face, and you deserve the best you want in your life. Smile, keep it. If you learn more and more, and help someone without any cost, and give some suggestion for them, give some words for them, so yeah, you win your heart by your eyes, in your eyes. So yeah, if you have love, ego, if you have love and you want to share with someone, so share with your words what you want to say. So yeah, if you want to deserve it, go and give your words. So yeah, success, achieve it. You can achieve your success by, you can achieve your success by your confidence, trust, honesty, and big smile. Yeah, big smile is important in your life. Always smile. You can't always smile. Sometimes you need to be serious in your life, what you want to say, what you want to say not. So yeah, if you have a smile that, so yeah, go for it and just shoot it. Yeah, confident, trusted. If you have confidence to do, if you have confidence, if you confidence you have, so trust that confidence, you can do anything in your life and no one can stop you in your life. So yeah, just walk in your life back your life, ahead your life, behind your life, left, right, everything you want to go and just smile and be confident where you want to go. Just go it and make it happen every day. This is your day and this is not your bullshit. So bullshit, this is not your bullshit life. You just go and just make it your life, just go and go. Loyalty is returned. If you make, if you loyal with someone, loyalty is back in your life. So yeah, if you love someone, if you love someone and you loyal with them, and in return loyalty is back, and no one can, and no one can forget it. That person always remember you and trust you and make you super duper trusted person. So yeah, if you want to go for your life, so go it, make it and trust it. So yeah, this is the life, and you make it and chase for it. Chase for it is another word, but just follow the feet, where they go, where you want to go. Just search footprints of this and you go with it. So yeah, when you go for it, so you make your decision clearly, what is wrong, what is not wrong. So yeah, when you go for right, your decision right. If you go wrong, this is your mistake and experience. You never trusted. This is not a, this is not a, mm, what I say, this is not your area, your side, your negative. This is negative side of your thought. So yeah, don't go for negative thoughts. Just go and go. Trust is gain. If you trust is gain, trust always say trust not gain in same. trust not gain in same time. This will take time, like a seed grow up with time, just like a trust gain time with time. So yeah, don't break anyone's trust, just go and earn more and more, earn more and more trust. So yeah, this is your trust, and you live it, you grow it, and this is your positivity. Honesty is appreciate. If you have honesty with someone, honesty is always appreciated. Appreciated means just like honesty, just like you always with them, in work with them, and they they cannot wrong. But here I say, don't don't give your honesty by blindly. This is my note is, don't gain don't give your honesty by don't give your honesty by blindly. You think yourself, thought ourselves mentally you are prepared or not. But yeah, you can say you are the best. You give your honesty by your best side, and they don't complain to your, they don't compare this by, they don't compare by your, they don't compare your negative or positive thoughts. They fully trust by their experience, and by their eyes, in their eyes you are level up and in the top. So yeah, this is the important thing you need to achieve it. And and just like, this, you will always fun with it, enjoy it every moment, and be confident in your life, and just just go for it. Yeah, this is the life of you. This is your life, and you need to check it. Respect is earned. For respect earned, you need to daily work on it. What is wrong, what is not wrong, you need to go and make it happen. What you want to achieve it, just go and meet people, what they want to say, what they want to not say. Just go and earn your positivity, and earn respect, and far from negative people, and just try it, just try it better and better things. And this is the way. Just when you earn your respect, earn your respect is earned. For respect earned, you need to you need to work daily 24 hours for earning respect. And this is the way when you can say, yes, I can do it for this way. So yeah, for earning respect you need to do your work day night, day twice. Everything you want to say, just go and make it your life. Just go and go. Real people don't care. Fake people manage his manage his image. Fake people manage his image, and real people they don't care about it. Fake people always aware from people, who who want to hurt you, and who want to say bad words for you. But real people don't care about you because they know how to maintain your image, real image, or they want to say just or they want to just say just go it, I don't care about you, go I don't care about your words. So yeah, their name is only image, how they work it, how they behave it, how to trust it. This is the way, this is the light of your life. So yeah, if you want to go, just go and make this life what you want. Signature, your autograph. Success is when your signature become an autograph. Success is like when your autograph is your signature. Your autograph, your signature, become autograph. Yeah. So when you work like you, what you want to say, what your work say about you, what your talent want to say. So yeah, just go and time make your time bring your time to say my signature is my autograph. So yeah, if you work 10 or 20 hours and you fun with it, you deeply enjoy your work and rise as a light and you need to find fame in your eyes. So yeah, if you have that type of image, if you have that type of image, so everyone wants to meet you and want to see you. And this is the way when you try not try to impress others, but you focus on your work, and your work is your signature, and your signature is your autograph. And is not and it is to sleep, and is never end, and is never end, and means efforts never die. This is the if you effort third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, and another things you just want to say it, you need to go and make the time and make the fully trusted. So your effort if 1,000 times more better. So yeah, your effort no never die. It is something that does not let you sleep. Dream, if you see dreaming night and dream is not while you sleep. Dream is like dream never sleep you. If you have dream and you try to one time, two time, three time, four time, fifth time, and another time. So yeah, if you have dreams never give you dreams never give you just like not sleeping you. And Real dream is like they always want to you do work a thousand times more better, perfection and just like perfection and more beautiful your dreams, how you create it and how you manage it. Just like this is your dreams, this is your dream, you want to achieve it, success it, and tell everyone, yes I did it, and go for another dream and go for new dreams who do not sleep you. And this is the era of your dream, when you go and when you go and when you go and you never lose it. When problems come to your life non-stop, then remember that your positive attitude will always your umbrella. if we if problems come in your if problems come in your life like a rain, then your umbrella just like your positivity. So yeah, don't leave your positivity just because of negative rain and negative situation problems. You just give it focus only just your positivity with umbrella. and this is the and this is the point you need to know, that you never die for negativity, negative thoughts. Yeah, this is the time which you want to say is, you need to go more ways and search new ways. And this is the way when you proud yourself. Winners never quit and quitters never win. This is the thought. Winners never quit and quitters never win. So yeah, this is the thought is, if you think about if you have winning, if you go for win, one thing always one thing always remember, that is, you always win, always always think about this is your this is your thought is, you never quit. And quitters like they don't interested and quit that winning chance. So yeah, two types of chances you have: quit or win. So just go for it and win. Make decision for winning. So yeah, this is the way where you win this chance. It's not over until I win. So yeah, this is the until I win. This is the not win until I win. One day a day, when you decide. If you think that day one day come for you and you enjoy your life and make beautiful things way, so yeah, you wrong. Just they come bring that day come and make your day beautiful and with happiness and smile. Yeah, being alone is a power that few can uh, win us. Being alone is a power that few can handle. This is the power when you understand nobody can push you lot of time, so you need to push yourself behind your hand and push yourself a lot of time. And you understand nobody comes to help you, nobody comes to push you. So just go and push yourself a thousand times whenever not achieve your success. Yeah, you can never lose when you can never lose if you bet on you can never lose if you bet on yourself. If you want to really achieve it, if you want to achieve really, and this is matter for you, so yeah, you need to go. You need to go and bet yourself first. You never lost that thought and you never lost your success. So yeah, if you bet on yourself, you never lost in your life. The person I becoming going to shock a lot of people. The person I am becoming is going to shock a lot of people. I am coming for everything I deserve. So yeah, when you rise and with your mental health, with your mental capacity, so yeah, you deserve your winning streak. So yeah, you go for work, do the thousand times, 50,000 times. Yeah, so just go and make your time, and just do your best. Yeah. No guts, no glory, no legend, no story. If you have guts to you, if you have guts to give your 100% in your life, if you have guts to give your 100%, so yeah, this is your glory with guts, and you become a legend, and this legend make a story. Without legend, this is not a story. Yeah. The days that break you, the days that make you. If you have if you have bad days that make you, if you have bad days that make you, uh, the days the days that break you, the days that make you. If you have bad days, you have who break you internal and external. So yeah, this is the thought that break you when you bind by negative energy, and you have surrounded with negative thoughts, negative speaking your mind, and you speak with your mind, and such type of uh, such type of such type of such type of thinking. So yeah, the days that break you, these days break you, but this help to face new days and new situation by help of this experience. So yeah, you need to go and make that situation control who control in your control. So yeah, this is the best way when you achieve your glory. You are born an original, don't write copy. I want to say that if you I want to say that if you born original, don't copy others. If you have if you born original, don't die your copy, because you are a hero of your life, and You don't want to say, you don't want to need to copy others, please, because you only one piece by created by God. So yeah, if you have this type of thought, so you never lost in your life. Underestimate me, that will be fun. Underestimate, if someone underestimate you, this is the fun of your life. This is the funny thing you can admit, or yeah, such type of thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Underestimate, if your ego box, then my attitude roars. If someone shows his ego, then your attitude roars by your heart. So no one can box beside or surrounding yourself when your entry comes. So yeah, when your entry comes, just like king of jungle lion, lion roars by his entry. Losers focus on winners. Winners focus on win, and loser focus on winners. This is the thought of life, that is just like you win your trophy and share with everyone, but some losers always focus on you and your success and your time and your everything. They try to copy you, and they try to make they try to make yourself, and they try to make themselves better and better, but they copy yourself. But here this point is, winners only focus on win, and for loser focus on winners. So this is the thought of your life. You can be happy where you are sometimes, but sometimes not happen. Your situation, your surrounding, your everything surrounded self. So yeah, if you surround yourself with some difficulties and situation is very difficult, so go away from that situation and face the challenges. Winners focus on winning. Yeah, we grow when we face challenges without fighting spirit. You you can't learn the new challenges, new faces, new challenges. So yeah, I always believe that learning is very important things. Never take your eyes off the target. Never your eyes off the target. Never eyes. Never take your eyes off the target, and showing up is the half battle. Never ever, never ever take off your eyes from the target, and showing up is the half battle. We will either find a way, or we will ever we will either find a way or make fun. We will either find a way, or fake one, make one. So this is the way we will find a way, or we will make one. Sometimes we never find a way of where we go, here we are here, but we need to think about thoughts is very important thinking. So yeah, when you choose one or two, both not understanding by you, so yeah, you need to go, you need to think about it and make new way where you want to go, and set your target, and just go by bullshit, just go and make happen this thing. Yeah, so believe in yourself, confidence, and make one yourself in your life. So yeah, thank you, and see you later. Thank you.